So today I've got a new project going on. I'm actually putting together a tool shed. I'm building the base for it right now, but I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Instead of putting cinder blocks under it to support it, level it off, I'm gonna build it like a deck and put deck posts under it, 4x4s in the corners and then in the middle, and I'll show you what I got going on. So what we've done is we dug down a couple feet, cemented in the corners and in the middle and on all four corners, and in the middle we're gonna put like a beam in here and some supports. And I've leveled it off already, and I've used some temporary pieces of wood to keep it level, and I'm going to cut my 4x4 posts and put them in the corner and screw them in. Then I'll sister them with another beam, and I'm going to tie them in that way so everything's nice and secure. And it's a little bit different than putting cinder blocks under it. I didn't want to put cinder blocks under it again. They're kind of a pain, and this way is going to be nice and sturdy. It'll make for a nice platform for the deck. For the tool shed. Okay, made sure all four sides are level. Looks pretty good to me. So here's where I'm at right now. I have all my 4x4 posts in place at the corners. In the middle, one in the middle right here. I'm gonna get another beam going around the other side. And what I did too is to keep everything square, I'm working on it, I put a piece of strapping on all four corners. There's one there, and I just put it in with a couple of screws, one in each corner, to hold everything square and in place. And I'm going to start laying down my studs in the middle, 16 on center. Okay, so I'm done framing in my platform, and I went 16 on center with all the studs, and I kind of sistered the ends to strengthen up the 4x4 supports I have down the middle here. And then I made like a header beam down the middle, and it also tied in the 4x4 support that I have at the ends, and there's also one in the middle under the wood here. And we did the same thing at this end. I'm gonna have a door on this end, so I wanted to strengthen up where the door is going to be. It's probably overkill, but it should keep everything nice and square and sturdy for me. Let's start putting my plywood deck on right now. So I finished building the base of my tool shed, and I did the 4x4 posts that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. I did one in the middle, one on the ends, and one right in the middle. I made a beam that you could see. I did the 3/4 inch pressure treated wood on the top, 4x8 sheets. And this deck is 178 inches long, and it's 93.5 inches wide. So I used deck screws to screw the 4x8s down, and then I put some drainage holes in here. They're like 1/2 inch drainage holes. I put 6 of them in the wood on the corner, right down the middle, on every single piece. My tool shed has a plastic base to it, so it does have a floor. This will be under that, so you'll never see the holes, and if water finds its way there, it should help for it to drain out. Building the deck this way, it's nice and sturdy. It was nice being able to adjust the deck height and level it out, and I used some temporary posts before I put my corner posts in. I mean, I must have checked the level on this thing 20 times. It's dead on, and it's really nice and sturdy. I like doing it better this way than the cinder blocks. Everybody uses cinder blocks, but it's like, hey, I'll think outside the box and do something a little bit different. And it looks nice and clean, and maybe I'll end up trimming it out so no critters get under there when I'm done putting the deck on it. Hope you guys like this video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.